Enhancing transient voltage quality in distribution power system with SMS based DVR and SFCL. The main aim of this project is that to improve the power quality in distribution power system with SMS based DVR and SFCL. Here figure 1A shows the system topology of the SMS based DVR and SFCL. Figure 1B shows the detailed topology of SMS based DVR. Here the simulation circuit is shows like this, which is having source and it is connected to the bus. This bus is connected to two feeders. Feeder 1 is connected to load 1, feeder 2 is connected to load 2. Feeder 1 is connected to as well as SMS DVS, and figure 2 is also connected to SFCL. This is the SFCL circuit, which is having DC link capacitor, voltage source inverter, and a support conducting transformer. And this is SMS based DVR. This is SMS supermagnetic energy storage system, and this is a DVR which is having DC link capacitor, voltage source inverter, filter, and this is a control system for SMS for operating, and this is a control system for DVR inverter. And this is a circuit for without SFCL. There is no SFCL, only SMS DVR is there. Coming to results, this is figure 6A. The fault current and distribution line 1 with single DVR and the proposed SFCL DVR. So single DVR is nothing but this one, figure 6A, fault current, and with the DVR as well as SFCL, and this is the figure 6A with the DVR as well as SFCL. Next, figure 6B, the common bus RMS voltage with single DVR and proposed SFCL DVR. Single DVR is like this, with SFCL DVR is increasing mode like this, decreasing mode, sorry. Next one, figure 7A, the sensitive load voltage without compensation. It shows in the without SFCL, figure 7A, like this, figure 7A. And figure 7B, the DVR output voltage with single DVR, the DVR output voltage with single DVR, and the DVR output voltage with proposed SFCL DVR, the DVR voltage, and the sensitive load with voltage with compensation is the waveform for that one. And the figure 8, the output compensated power of DVR with a single DVR and proposed DVR. The output compensated power shows without DVR, without SFCL, the output of compensated power without SFCL, and with SFCL it shows like this.